Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, area. In this chapter, our topic is find the area of the figures in terms of unit squares. Let's start. Out of the two figures, write the figure which has larger surface. In A, which figure has larger surface? First figure or second figure? Yes, first figure. So write the first figure. In B, which figure has larger surface? 5 rupee note or 100 rupee note? Yes, 100 rupee note. So write the 100 rupee note. In C, can you tell me which coin has larger surface? 5 rupee coin or 10 rupee coin? Yes, the answer is 10 rupee coin. So write the 10 rupee coin. In D, which plate has larger surface? Blue or white? Yes, the answer is blue plate. So write the blue plate. So what you observe? The area can be defined as the space occupied by the flat shape or the surface of an object. So we can say that the area is the amount of space inside the boundary of flat or two-dimensional object. Or the measure of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. Let's see how to find the area of a simple closed figure by counting unit squares when the figure is divided in unit squares. Look at the square ABCD. It is divided into 9 equal squares. Thus, we can say that the area of square ABCD is equal to 9 squares. Or in other words, the area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Let us solve some more examples to understand it in a better way. Find the area of the figure in terms of unit squares. Let us count the square of first figure, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in first figure the area is 4 squares. Let us count the squares of second figure and find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So in second figure the area is 13 squares. Let's find the area in third figure by counting the squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look the figure carefully. In this figure you can see two triangles which is equal to half of the square. So half plus half is equal to 1 square. So we can say that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 squares. Let's count the squares in next figure to find out the area. 1, 2 and half plus half 1. So this would be third square. Again half plus half 1 and this would be fourth square. So how many squares in total? Yes, 4 squares. Can you tell me the area of the figure in terms of unit squares? If your answer is 5 squares or 6 squares, it would be wrong. The right answer is 7 squares. How? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half plus half is 1. This would be 6th. Again, half plus half is 1. This would be 7th square. Okay. Let's find the area in last figure by counting the squares. Can you tell me what is the answer? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is 8 squares. I hope you all understand how to find the area in terms of unit squares. Thank you. Have a nice day.